my darlings. Today's video is gonna be like a hybrid tutorial slash hairstyle inspo. I'm parting my hair down the middle and we're gonna do pigtails, but we're gonna do 4-strand braids to add a little bit of spice. Taking a cute but simple look and elevating it a little bit. Starting on one side, we're gonna part our hair into 4 sections, which we have here, and now we're gonna start the braid. So I'm gonna start with that front piece, braid it over the second piece, under the third piece, and then over the fourth piece. This is the hardest part, forming the braid, just because there's no structure yet. It can get a little messy, but we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna bring that new first piece over the second piece, under the third piece, and then over the fourth piece. Now that the braid is beginning to form, the braiding does become a little bit easier. We're just gonna keep following that same pattern, bringing it over, under, over, again, over, under, over. Think of it like basket weaving. Not that I've ever done basket weaving, but I imagine it's a similar pattern like this. And that's literally it. It's so simple. You just keep following that same pattern all the way down. Here it is a few more times to show you. I'm gonna stop my braid here and grab a little elastic to tie it off. And look how beautiful this braid is. Like, it's really unique. It's so pretty. I feel like this is the kind of braid that would make someone do a double take, thinking it's a normal braid at first and then realizing it's not. I like to pull my braids apart a little bit just to make them a little fluffier and bigger. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. The only difference for the next side is that instead of starting with the front piece, I'm gonna start with the back piece. But that is the only difference. It's still the same pattern, braiding over, under, over. I start with the back piece on the other side because I find that the final product will look more uniform. But again, same exact process, just starting in a different direction. And here we have the final look. Super cute, everyday pigtail braids, but adding a little bit of spice to it. I'm absolutely obsessed. I feel like it looks a lot harder than it is, which adds to the beauty of it. It looks so intricate, but it's really not difficult at all. And now just a final touch, optional of course. I like to add a hat. I always love the 2-braid look with a hat. I just think it's so cute. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!